Hello guys, welcome back to Flat Media. Today I will show you how you can create video using AI technology. Just like AI Portrait, Smart Cutout, AI Audio Stretch, and Auto Reframe. Using Filmora 12. Before we start the video, go in my description, and get a subscription on Elements Envato for the best stock footage. Also don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Flat Media. Firstly, we will make portrait using AI Portrait. Import your video to the timeline. Then double-click on Video, go to Video tab, and AI Tools. Scroll down and enable AI Portrait. As you can see, background is removed perfectly. Now you need to find background photo. And drag and drop below the first clip. Here is how it looks. Now double-click on first clip, and I will increase edge feather a little bit. Now I will show you Smart Cutout on another video. Import your video to the timeline. Double-click on it. Go to AI Tools tab. And click on Smart Cutout. Brush tool is automatically selected. You can increase brush size. And brush over your main object. You can zoom, and increase or decrease edge thickness, and feather for more accuracy. Also, you can change brush color. And click on the icon to start Smart Cutout. Find some background, and drag and drop below the first clip. As you can see now, the man in the video is running at the same place. We cannot change that, but we will add keyframes to make more realistic. Double-click on first clip, and add keyframe at first frame. Then move it forward, and decrease scale to 70. This makes like this man running from behind. Let's try Smart Cutout on another video. Drag and drop your video to the timeline. Double-click, go to AI Tools tab and click on Smart Cutout. Brush over your main object. And click on icon to start Smart Cutout. Then find some background, and put it below first clip. For example, this one. Now go to audio, find some audio for your clip. This workout song fits to my video. Drag and drop audio to your timeline. As you can see, our video is longer than audio. But with Audio Stretch tool we can extend our audio. Next thing I'm gonna show you is Auto Reframe. With Auto Frame you can change frame of your video. Also you can tell Filmora to follow your object. Open your video. My frame now is 16:9. For example, let's try other aspect ratio. With Adjust Frame option you can adjust frame to follow your main subject. For more tutorials, Please like this video and subscribe to Flat Media.